Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we're not fishing. Cloudy, dreary day and not good to be out. I'm on my lunch break right now, so I thought I'd make a quick video. And a lot of you know what that is. It's an iPad Pro. And this is the 2020 model, which I hate saying 2020, but it's the 4th generation, let's say it that way. 12.9 inch, 256 gig Wi-Fi model. And what I'm going to do an unboxing of this and the Logitech Slim Folio Pro. And what I've got, or what I've had for the last 5 years, is the iPad Pro from 2015. And this has been a great device. Works really well. I edit videos on this with LumaFusion. I do all the content consumption and emailing and whatnot. It's a 9.7 inch, 128 gig. But I wanted something a little bit bigger, and I generally use this as my main computer at home. You know, I've got my work from home set up over here where I code and fix things and do all my other stuff. But for home video editing and emailing and browsing and whatnot, we're going to unbox this. So I'm going to put a camera down on top here and I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, hopefully y'all can hear me and see what's going on. And this is the normal Apple packaging. And you can see here, iPad Pro 12.9, 4th gen, Wi-Fi, 256 gig. Take my trusty knife. Thank you, Ryan Burnette. That didn't work. Apple always does a good job on their packaging. So we got the iPad itself. This is a space gray model. And I always keep all the packaging just in case I need it. So there's all the different cameras, the LiDAR sensor, the antennas, and a big old hunk of glass. Look at that. That is neat. Okay, in the box, we got the documentation and stickers. It's probably a quick start guide. Yep. All the safety and regulation stuff. Stickers. Always gotta have stickers. Let's see, we got the power adapter, which is USB-C. Got a little wrapping on it. And it's got the traditional USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and that's it. That's all that's in there. And while I'm here, I will go ahead and unbox this. Now, I could have went with the $329 Magic Keyboard, but it didn't have function keys. Here's the Slim Folio Pro, and I could have got one with a trackpad, but I really like using a Bluetooth mouse with my iPad. And the material feels good on it. Got the camera cut out. And it's a heavy device, but it should be able to protect it real well. Keys are already backlit. My hands are big and it's got enough space and it's got all the function keys. It's already on. It's sturdy. It charges what does it charge with? USB-C, I think. That's what it looks like right there. But let's go ahead and see what we got in the box here. It should just be a quick start guide. That's not good. Yep, that's just a quick start guide and some regulation stuff. They didn't send a cable with it, which is odd. So we'll have to look at that. Maybe it charges with the, I can't remember off the top of my head what it charges with. But it's got a 3-month battery, so I don't have to worry about it for a while. So. So anyway, I'm excited about this. We'll do a little setting up on it, and I'll show you some, I got some other stuff coming tomorrow. I've got a USB-C dock to come with it, and I got a cable to hook up my 27-inch monitor to it, and the whole bit will be here tomorrow. And I've got something that's dropped. I got some USB hard drives I'm hooked to it, and we're going to do some video editing. So anyway, if y'all like this video, thanks for watching. Give me a like on it, hit the little subscribe button, hit the little bell to be notified. And if you got any questions, or if you have an iPad Pro 12.9 and you want to leave a comment about it, let me know. I'd like to know about it. And I always look at all the comments and everything, and I reply back, especially the clean ones. Now the other ones I don't. But anyway, we're at 421 subscribers, and I appreciate it. And that'll be all. I got to get back to work here. And anyway, y'all have a great day and have a great week, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.